Hello, everybody, and welcome back to Emily's Upcycled Home. Please shop my items on Facebook Marketplace with the link in the description. Follow me on my business page for updates, reels, and new items. Like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget that notification bell for more DIY videos. Let's jump into project number 1. So I have this, I don't know, what is it, trivet, cutting board, whatever. And I had it posted just as is, but it hasn't sold. And I think I took it down a while ago trying to transform it, but it just sat again in my stash. So now we're just going to come in with some paint here and we're going to paint it up. And I'm using Antique White in Folk Art brand. And I'm just going to go ahead and coat the whole piece here. Now, I had issues with the center and not letting the paint dry and trying to put a transfer on it, and it didn't work out. So I made a mess, but I'm not going to show you guys all that. We're just going to go ahead in here and paint this. And you notice on the top, I went ahead and added a little cameo mold here just to like shabby chic or French country this piece up. Now, I lost some footage here, but I did go over this center tile piece with textured paint, and the edges and all the little medallion at the top I went over with distress ink. Now I'm just going to come in with this little brownish color transfer from the Brocante IOD packet, and I'm just going to add that transfer to the center of this piece. And then you're going to see me bring in some little scrap transfers from the traditional pots transfers, and we're going to go ahead and add some wording to this as well. Now, after everything's done, I go ahead and seal the piece, and I haven't decided whether I want to come in with some greenery, anything like that. But for now, I'm just going to add the little transfers at the bottom, and then I'm going to seal it.
Seeing eyes of mine, what do you feel beside? I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing eyes of mine, love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong.
I want to take a moment here and let you know you can catch me live every Friday, 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time over on my Facebook business page. Now let's move into project number 2. And these are just some spoons that I had in my stash. So I'm kind of going to go ahead and make kind of like, I guess, a kitchen set here. And I'm just coming in with some other little scrap pieces from the traditional pots transfers, and I'm just going to go ahead and rub these transfers on the ends of the spoons and decorate those parts. And then to age them more, I'm going to come in. Oh, I have another piece here. It's just a little whiskey thing, and then I'm going to come in with that same scraps of traditional pots transfers, and then I'm going to add that onto the edge. Now, after I have all those transfers on, I want to darken up this wood tone, so I'm just going to come in with some DIY dark wax. And I didn't mix the wax today, I just want it just on there, and my wax is really soft and smooth, so it's like going on like butter today. So I'm going to go ahead and add this on, and then we're going to wipe the excess off like always. And then when it comes to the spoons, I'm going to go ahead and repeat that same process, wiping on the dark wax and taking off the excess.
Seeing eyes of mine, what do you feel beside? I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing eyes
Let's jump right into project number 3. Now, you've seen me repurpose one of these already for my home, but I thought I'd go ahead and do another one because I think this would be a great additional to the spoons and a little trivet to hang off of. So I'm going to go ahead and come in and upcycle this piece using some leftover potch transfers, and I'm just splitting up the wording and putting one on one side, and then I'll come in with the other one and place that on the other side, rub that in with my stick, and then we'll go ahead and add some DIY dark wax to stain up our piece. And after all that is thoroughly into the wood, I'm going to come in with just a rag and wipe off all the excess. And here are the finished products. Don't forget to leave me a comment. Let me know what you think of these projects. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one.